Welcome to Maharaja Agrasen Public School. Today we will learn chapter number 3, more on Tux Paint. Hello children, welcome back to Tux Paint. I hope you remember me and the topics that we have learned together in the previous class. Let us have a quick review about the tools we have learned till now. We have learned how to use the paint freehand drawing tool along with various brush shapes, lunch tool to draw beautiful patterns, and have also tried our hands at some magical effects using the magic tool. We have also learned how to save our work as well as open an already saved file. Let us learn more about Tux Paint and its wonderful tools. Shapes tool. Shapes tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes to any angle on a 360-degree scale. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Let us draw a square at various angles. Select the shapes tool from the toolbox. शेप टूल आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे है शेप टूल, ये रहा आपका शेप टूल. Select the square shape from the sub toolbox on the right hand side. You can see square over here. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Drag the mouse pointer to the drawing area here. Select point on the drawing area that will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse, choose the desired size and release the left mouse button when you have completed the square. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Now you can see a spawn arrow on the drawing area. This spawn arrow is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square. Once you have finished, click in the drawing area to see the final image. Let us draw for different square shapes at various angles. Likewise, try your hand with other shapes as well, like triangle, circle. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सर्कल लिया गया हुआ है. आप सर्कल भी ले सकते हो, ट्राइंगल भी ले सकते हो. इरेजर टूल. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the sub toolbox. Now see. Eraser tool is here. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from sub toolbox. ये है sub toolbox. यहाँ से आप इरेजर का शेप, ये वाला लेना है तो ये वाला, ये छोटा वाला, ये भी है. सब टूल बॉक्स में से आप डिजायर्ड शेप ऑफ इरेजर पिक कर सकते हो. ब्रिंग द माउस पॉइंटर इन द ड्राइंग एरिया. क्लिक ऑन द लेफ्ट माउस बटन and drag the eraser to the area that you want to remove. New tool. You cannot work in a single file forever. You always make different files for different drawings. Once you have saved your previous work, you can open a new file using the new tool from the toolbox. Let us learn how to create a new file. Click on the new tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Down arrow button is here. ये है down arrow button. Select any color or frame of your choice. For example, select the green background color box. Click on the open button. You will find a blank screen with a green background color. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area since your canvas is green. You must use light colors like white, yellow, orange or pink. Now create some new files with different background colors. आप देख सकते हो स्टार्टर्स में बहुत सारे बैकग्राउंड आ गए। आप उसमें से ये वाला जो है वाइट वाला लास्ट वाला वो भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप अपनी मन चाहे ड्राइंग ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। एजेस इफेक्ट, it is a unique feature in TuxPaint. Using this tool we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Let us see how it works. Click on the Shapes tool and select any filled shape from the subtool box. Now draw the selected shape. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the subtool box. Using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will observe that it will erase the solid part of the image and display the edges of the shape. इस इमेज में आपको दिख रहा होगा कि एजेस जो है वो आपको अच्छे से डिस्प्ले हो रही है, क्योंकि वो एजेस को ही डिफ्रेंशिएट करता है, एजेस इफेक्ट। ड्रिप मैजिक, व्हाट हैपन्स when water is sprinkled on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter that is written using ink pen? The ink colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in TuxPaint. Select a green background. यहाँ पे हमने ग्रीन बैकग्राउंड नहीं लिया है लेकिन ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड लिया है। क्लिक ऑन द टेक्स्ट टूल एंड राइट द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट, हेलो। यहाँ पे हमने लाइट कैलीग्राफी टाइप किया है। नाउ सिलेक्ट द मैजिक टूल एंड चूज द ड्रिप इफेक्ट। विच इफेक्ट? ड्रिप इफेक्ट मैजिक टूल में से आपको दिखेगी। फ्रॉम द सब टूल बॉक्स, ये जो सब टूल बॉक्स है यहाँ पे ही आपको मैजिक इफेक्ट दिखेगी, वहाँ पे ही आपको क्लिक कर देना है। ड्रिप इफेक्ट, सॉरी। Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after applying the drip effect. देखो ये जो कैलीग्राफी लिखा हुआ है उसमें आपको ड्रिप इफेक्ट का असर दिख रहा होगा। Foam effect. You must have seen your mother washing clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, a lot of foam appears on the water. Similarly, this tool adds the foam effect wherever you want. जहाँ पे भी आपको foam effect मतलब झाग वाली इफेक्ट चाहिए वहाँ पे आप ये foam effect यूज़ कर सकते हो। Example of foam effect. You can get a foam effect from magic tool and you can select foam here from the subtool box. Grass effect. To draw grass, you can simply use the grass effect from the subtool box to draw neat and tidy grass. I hope you remember the various paintbrush shapes that you have studied in the previous class. Open a new file with white background. Select the paint tool, choose blue color and draw the river as shown in figure 3.8. Now select the magic tool and fill effect. मैजिक टूल में फिल इफेक्ट, क्लिक ऑन द ग्राउंड टू फिल ग्रीन कलर इन इट, लाइकवाइज फिल ब्लू कलर इन द रिवर. नाउ सिलेक्ट द ग्रास इफेक्ट एंड चूज डार्क ग्रीन कलर. ड्रॉ सम ग्रास एट द रिवर बेड साइड एंड ऑन द ग्राउंड. Select the paint tool again and pick the vine tool from the brushes section. Draw the upper part of a tree using vine tool at the right of your screen. To make it more beautiful, you can select a few colors and keep clicking on the upper part of a tree as shown in figure 3.9. Select the magic tool and choose the flower tool and draw flowers of different colors. आपको flower भी दिख रहे होंगे figure 3.9 में. Select the form effect and draw some form along with the river. Select the paint tool from the subtool box and choose the starfish shape. Select brown color from the colors palette and draw a few starfish on the form. Similarly, you can use many brush shapes and magic effects to draw beautiful pictures. In short, आपको अगर ग्रास चाहिए तो सबसे पहले आप जाओगे मैजिक टूल पे, फिर उस पर आप ये ग्रास वाला ऑप्शन जो सब टूल बॉक्स में है वो क्लिक कर लोगे और उसको यहाँ पे ग्रास को लाओगे. इफ़ यू वांट अ फ्लावर देन यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस ग्रास इफेक्ट. Rainbow and real rainbow effect. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. You can see the difference between rainbow effect and real rainbow effect in figure 3.10. Select the magic tool from the tools bar and the rainbow effect from the subtool box. Now place your magic wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point in an arc shape. You will get a trail of rainbow colors as you draw. Trail of rainbow आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. See, trail of rainbow effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area, click and drag the wand from one end to the other. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on the canvas. Noise effect. Noise effect is used to add white noise to our drawing. Sometimes while watching television, the TV signal suddenly disappears. At that time, you see thousands of black and grey dots on your screen with some noise. That is called the black noise. White noise is a mixture of grey, blue, maroon and white dots. Smudge effect. Smudge effect is used when we draw water bodies in our drawing. It is used to mix two different colors smoothly. This tool gives effects as if the color is mixed using wet paint. आपको फिगर 3.12 में दिख रहा होगा कि two different colors smoothly mix हो रहे हैं. Let us draw a blue ball and a yellow ball close to each other. Now click the magic tool and select the smudge effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on the joined lines till you get the desired result. It will create a beautiful smudge effect. Waves effect. Waves effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, that means horizontal. Let us use this effect. Open a new file with blue background. Select the paint tool and draw a filled curved structure as shown in figure 3.13. Now select the magic tool and then select the waves effect from the subtool box. Penguin's instructions appear below the drawing area. Read those instructions carefully. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect. Clicking at the bottom of the screen will provide taller wave effects. Wavelets effect. The wavelets effect wiggles any picture up and down vertical. Waves effect कैसे करता था? Horizontally and wavelets effect vertically rather than side to side. Let us apply this effect to our drawing. Undo the previous changes on your drawing using the undo button from the toolbox. Click on the wavelets effect. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Click on the top of the drawing area to add shorter waves to your drawing. Thank you, children.